So in any claim process, in any state, anywhere you are, whether it's a small shingle roof or the Empire State Building, there's a five-step process, the way that we look at it, right? It's a mental model. The first step is an investigation. Well, what does the roof look like? What was the weather? What's the evidence of damage? What's the type of building material? What's the policy? Although in some states you don't want to get involved in policy. The second step is going to be presentation. So presenting that formally to the insurance company with a proof of loss, demand letters, whatever. And again, this is not necessarily for roofers at this point, just showing the entire process. Third step is negotiation, right? That's pretty obvious what that is. If they come back with less than you've asked them for, it's time to negotiate, right? And then fourth step's going to be dispute. Fifth step is resolution. And those are pretty obvious too. Even in Florida, where we have these restrictions on what roofing contractors can do to involve themselves in the insurance process, you are allowed to do that investigation stage as it relates to what a contractor typically does. So you're allowed to investigate the roof. You're allowed to inspect the roof. You're allowed to prepare estimates. You're allowed to discuss things that aren't insurance in nature, but details of the damage, details of repairability factors, right? That's where we get into specs, statutes, codes, and contracts, which is probably another entire topic we could do. So what Mike's saying is where that fits is in that investigation stage.